Good morning, children. Let us start today's session with the motivational speech given by APJ Abdul Kalam ji. Thinking is the capital, and enterprise is a way, and hard work is the solution. See, children, thinking is our capital, the investment, and hard work is the solution for everything. So, work hard, children, to achieve your goal. Good morning, children. Let us now learn the multiplication of 5s. It's very easy, children. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25, 5 six are 30, 5 sevens are 35, 5 eights are 40, 5 nines are 45, 5 tens are 50. You can add and count, and you can write the tables also, because we all know that multiplication is a repeated addition. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. You can add and write, because multiplication is a repeated addition. Here we have 1 5s. So 1 time 5s become 5. 2 times 5 is 10. 3 times 5 is 15. 4 times 5 is 20. 5 times 5 is 25. 6 times 5 is 30. 7 times 5 is 35. 8 times 5 is 40. 9 times 5 is 45. 10 times 5 is 50. Now let us make this rabbit to hop in 5s. So 3 times 5, 3 steps. 5s will become 15. 6 times jumping, 5s will become 30. 5 times 5, if the rabbit jumps 5 times on 5s, becomes 25. 8 times 5 is 40. 2 times 5 is 10. 7 times 5 is 35. 4 times 5 is 20. 9 times 5 is 45. Now let us learn the word problem sums, which gives you the real life scenarios, real life examples. 8 girls have 5 books each. So here we have 1 girl, 2 girl, 3 girl. So you can take this as 1 girl, 2 girl, 3 girl, 4 girl, 4th girl, 5th girl, 6th girl, 7th girl, 8th girl. So 8 girls are having 5 books. So 8 5s are 40 books. Totally they will have 40 books, because each is given. Each means the keyword of multiplication. Now here we have, there are 10 hands. So like this there are 10 hands with 5 fingers each. Each is again a keyword of multiplication. How many fingers are there in all? So 10 hands are there. In each hand, how many fingers are there? 5 fingers. So 10 5s are 50, children. 10 5s are 50 fingers. Totally how many fingers are there? 50 fingers. A little boy crosses 5 stones in one jump. He crosses 5 stones in one jump. How many stones can he cross in 3 jumps? So here there is no each, but 5 stones they have given and asking for 3. That is, they are asking for more jumps. So 5 threes are 5 stones he will jump. In the same way he jumps for 3 times. So 5 times 3 is 15. You all of you know that 5 times 3 is also 15. 3 5s are is also 15. So how many stones? How many stones means 15 stones. The balloon seller has 5 balloons in each hand. How many balloons, children? 5 balloons in each hand. How many balloons does he have in both hands? Both hands means 2 hands. Here 5 balloons. In my right hand 5 balloons. So 5 plus 5, 10. Or 5 times 2 is 10, because multiplication is repeated addition. 5 twos are 10. So totally he has 10 balloons. Now let us learn the multiplication of 6. So here we have 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24, 6 fives are 30, 6 sixes are 36, 6 sevens are 42, 6 eights are 48, 6 nines are 54, 6 tens are 60. So children, here we have 1 times 6 is 6, 2 times 6 is 12, 3 times 6 is 18, 4 times 6 is 24, 5 times 6 is 30, 6 times 6 is 36, 7 times 6 is 42, 8 times 6 is 48, 9 times 6 is 54, 10 times 6 is 60 children. Now let us make this rabbit to jump 6 steps. So hopping in 6. So 3 times 6 steps. So he is jumping 3 times. How many steps? 6 steps each. So 3 times 6 is 18. 6 times 6 is 36. 5 times 6 is 30. 8 times 6 is 48. 2 times 6 is 12. 7 times 6 is 42. 4 times 6 is 24. 1 times 6 is 6. Now, a child eats 6 biscuits every day. See children, each day, that is 1 day. For 1 day, he eats 6 biscuits. How many biscuits does he eat in 9 days? See, 1 has been given and asking for more days. For 1 day they have given and asking for 9 days. That is also multiplication. So 9 6 are 54 biscuits, or 6 9s are 54 biscuits. 6 vases have 6 flowers children. 6 vases. How many vases are there? 6 vases having 6 flowers each. Again, each is a keyword of multiplication. So 6 6 are 36. 6 times 6 is 36. How many flowers? 36 flowers. 8 trees have 6 coconuts each. 8 trees have 6 coconut each. How many coconuts are there in all? 8 6 are 48 coconuts. 4 giraffes eat 6 leaves each. 4 giraffes eat 6 leaves each. How many leaves do you eat in all? 4 6 are 4 times 6 is 24 leaves. So children, keep on practicing children. Next is 7 8. If you get time, you can practice children. If you try to do the sum, you learn more. Okay children, keep on practicing, keep on learning, keep going. Thank you children.